Hi guys and girls, how are you doing? The video you're watching right now, it sucks. You wanna know why? Because I had a GoPro 8 and I lost it. And then I bought a GoPro 9 and with a huge memory card in it. And who do you think forgot to change it to wide angle? And you know what guys? I have been out for so many days, almost every day, riding. And you know what? It's all in the trash! In the trash! I love to edit videos, and it saddens me how much of an idiot I am. But anyways, content will be out soon. Very soon. Until next time.